Hello, I'm Ritika. Welcome back to my show, National Birds. Philippine Eagle. Philippine Eagle is the national bird of the Philippines. It is the largest eagle in terms of length and wing surface. The Philippine eagle is also called the monkey-eating eagle. Bare-throated bellbird. Bare-throated bellbird is the national bird of Paraguay. It has one of the loudest calls that sounds like a hammer. Chukka partridge. Chukka partridge is the national bird of Pakistan. It is named after its call. Turquoise broad motmot. Turquoise broad motmot is the national bird of El Salvador and Nicaragua. It is called Tortugas in El Salvador and Guardabarranco in Nicaragua. Himalayan monal. Himalayan monal is the national bird of Nepal. It is also the state bird of Uttarakhand. Blue rock thrush. Blue rock thrush is the national bird of Malta. It is featured on the old 1 Maltese lira coin. Common bulbul. Common bulbul is the national bird of Liberia. It is also called the garden bulbul. Red-billed streamertail. Red-billed streamertail is the national bird of Jamaica. It is indigenous to Jamaica and is also called doctor bird. Barbary partridge. Barbary partridge is the national bird of Gibraltar. It is native to North Africa. Clay-colored thrush. Clay-colored thrush is the national bird of Costa Rica. It is called iguro in Spanish. White-eared bulbul. White-eared bulbul is the national bird of Bahrain. It is also called the Iraqi bulbul. Oriental robin magpie. Oriental robin magpie is the national bird of Bangladesh.